That TV station in Ghana, I'm talking to you. Don't put my movie up. I didn't give you the permission to. I don't even want, before I was even like, well, let's talk to me. Let's discuss on how we can both share. I don't want your money. Don't put my movie up.
Let them come and deal with us. Then we can sit down and find out how to solve this. But what about social media? So no more they are talking musini, which I'm saying, let's not be used for publicity for these people. The next person now, or didn't see go to you to open clouds, you know, or be somebody attack Ghanaians.
Hey, Ghana entertainment industry, beautiful. It's almost like 5 days now. Anna, this Nigerian actress, a friend of Bimbo Ademoye, Eddie video be ba bonting. Ebe tiamugu Ghana for so say. Kamia say most of TV stations are Ghana. The movies are produced in Nigeria no. And no na ye sorry you show ye channels neso. Therefore, asem way trigger Ghanaians, any TV stations, Emma assembly mpoko drew other government officials so. Na wa unim Ghana asemba ni asonim kon. Ne wom se asem na asabi Bimbo kano no kreka krabi wom. Ne mom ade a afna no edi bri ani so nyina ne se ya anwene the other side of video na ode ba abonten no. Na ani gisem ne se ene UTV 4 na asem we so ewo United Showbiz. Yenua Ola ade Ola enso ebie a different chapter ama ye hu say Bimbo Ademoye no sa video no de ba abonten no say already the diplomatic condition and how she calculated the video na oni asem bia aka na emom no na eye strategy a opese odi promote the new video a odi aba YouTube.
This video is actually to send a sound warning. It's not a threat, but at the same time, it's a very sound warning. And I'm going to do a breakdown for you guys. This video might be long, but please listen. You know those people that take your thumbnail and your title and pretend like it's the same film for clickbait? Please, I'm begging you now. Let's all remember that we used an email address to open a YouTube channel. You can be traced, you can be tracked, you can be found. Then you now proceed to be evil and upload my film on your channel without my consent. I spent millions of naira making this movie.
Paris, Adena Musa Nejuma, Obetia location, Obetia cast and Kofa offer omo, Obetia, you can say Adriane and makeup artist, continuity, like it's a whole team, or the Bay Juma, no baby. Na makwa kofa ni baby am mo fa no YouTuber na makwa kofa no na ma say you movie no without even went ahwe no mo you movie no for what olade
the girl see kind that say o come mo na say me only television channel
olade
me nka ho
olaye producer
yeah so nka I should feel the way she's feeling but me
to am because
okay. But maybe
mehu there na waka found
makasa bre the thing is that Empress see ya sha say no
me do sha say
the thing is asem we no the very weak or no na semba na me sorry me new producers almost complaining about my films you know TV so
I am bisa wo
naming new producers, Ghanaian producers, more films, you know, TV so Ghana, yeah.
No, we bet me you movie without telling.
Yeah, we do. But I just want to establish.
Okay.
It happens to Ghanaians.
Ghana for yeah, no moti here. Almost soon the same soon.
Okay.
So me pese e be address the problem because in Nigeria need be say.
It's a cost.
Yes, a problem.
Okay. How do we solve it?
Osha lady in the video now. I saw somebody who was doing a PR for her film. It's not like she was really doing something different.
Nipani soon.
Mami be a friend of Toyin Abraham, or a Yoruba, also a Nigerian actress or side producer. On the status publicity stunt. Or Nigerian. Oh yeah, na and go for a moon free Ghana. And yet Ghana for nyatwem for ni bi o mo free Ghana e de cultural says I didn't there be a more attack Ghana for some moon parity mo films Why? When will you stop using Ghanaians for your publicity?
Ooh.
Yeah. Ghana for net cost and I saw this person, I saw this television station, but we free Uganda. Mami found quite Tama na you manage na so part the good dividends, you know. Obeko so many African countries, be abeko Kenya, South Africa, Uganda, obeko to Ghanaian movies, our shops.
Yeah.
A lot of foreign pirate. And you Ghana for. It you maybe not ye for na yes sini our brofum no. Udru South Africa, catch us one a lot for. Because on the street, was a lot of phone agent on moton sini no. Omo parity sini no. So omo ye good at parity na Nigeria for. And I'll not say this to justify what is happening.
So omo Ghana for your movie or omo.
Make sure baby I send you free buy.
Okay.
Omo me good with Paris here. Omo wiaya kuyen. Enye ne. Ena ye see the adwuma na ba fom. Ena ne omo su twa sini no omo sini no omo mieni omo twa for YouTube. Omo twa no e de fa cinema sim.
Okay.
Ena ye wo omo do twa ya YouTube straight.
Okay.
Empress say uko Telegram me ti ho 24/7. There's no Nigerian movie a me no Telegram. I'm telling you. No Nigerian movie.
Ubenya share free.
Some movie or day publicity no. That's where I even saw the artwork first. And Sakrana, I think 24th or something
of this month. No,
maybe from 20th on. I couldn't keep track of the date. Ubenya no Telegram.
Okay.
You mean the deceptive things?
No. You know, something hallelujah no. Bimbo dear no Bimbo dear is something hallelujah. I've forgotten that there's an hallelujah to it. But let me just arrange the thoughts.
Okay.
Boys now and answer one more own those Telegram pages no. Omo ya lata for. Omo ya Ghana for. So they have made it so easy for people to get access to download their movies. And these movies are YouTube movies. It's there for everybody. I don't need to sign up on YouTube to be able to watch it. All I need is data.
Ooh.
I'm a subscriber of YouTube Premium. But me sign or other browsers I mean share YouTube. I don't need to sign in and watch. I'm saying this to tell you, say, even though amount for we have also made it too available to make it happen. Now the entire makers or the publicity no share video ni ye or share say no she started by thanking people that have supported her movies. And no case any new movie way I know say publicity na koye asan or attack a Nigerian YouTuber. Asan or the Ghana best also.
Okay.
Or shall need movie in t-shirt. Why are we always allowing ourselves to be used by these people? I don't get it. Apart from as Ademoye no 2 days later I'll go on Instagram and say what Danyamia sees say we're hitting 1 million subscribers. 3 days later, that's about 5 days ago, what movie now hit 2.5 million. You see what's going on? They are capitalizing on it to market their movie. Now I'll take you back to Omoni. The one that tagged our president disrespectfully, I'll take you back to her. Before Obe releases her movie, Love in Every Word. She also came out with the same rant. And Ghanaian TV stations, you are showing our movies, but none of them has been able to prove or giving us evidence. Say, oh, Ghanaian TV station A, B, C, D, they show movies,
Because I was expecting it in the video.
They don't have it. We know, say Ghanaian TV station show movies, which is wrong. We will deal with that now. But the me person say when Omoni did that, nothing will be released this film no. Empress film no release here 1 week no 15 million views. 2 weeks no 25 million views.
Wow.
Now Bimbo edi bayi and ono so abe kan bi. No wasa tag your president as account. All kabi no wasa be say my new movie Twin Deception is out on YouTube and somebody has the same day I released it, the same day a Ghanaian TV station showed it.
TV bay.
No mention. So she used the trick the first time around, it worked. Now she's capitalizing again on it, on Bimbo's case, to also advertise a twin deception. This is what they are doing. They are just
it's
using
not about
us.
Paris.
Then it is about Paris, but they are capitalizing on it to market their channels. Go and check how that girl, Omoni, saw that woman. After that rant, go check how many subscribers she accrued. Because here the buy, who's here to most African countries discuss the same issue.
Woo.
Yeah. So every man go for a movie, you know. Tell me, I think we should be smart. Look, it's a problem. We have been dealing with this problem for years. You're a solution. And one of the reasons why your industry call from, and I can also tell say young producers and also count your mass ad because at a point we have to give you a part 1 to advertise for our part 2. It will be part 1. And the TV stations need be there. And will be a TV station and movies not started. I'm more a parity movies by Hollywood for.
The test run, right?
Yeah, the test run. I'm more a parity movies by Hollywood for. It took maybe a chair 3-4 years ago. Me Yenya Ricky Anochi was on that campaign against people showing unlicensed movies on TV. Just recently, me was a movie be about G20. Because who not telegrams a movie a bear feel the same day and me who not TV channel a show.
A show.
Yeah. Omunya telegram. So if they want to fight, it is not just about the TV. Let's fight and stop where they get the movies from.
Okay.
When Tony Abraham started or attacking Telegram, and then she was able to arrest about 2 people or more channels of Telegram.
Okay.
Telegram on a zongo. Excuse my language. Parity anything. So Empress, I lot of fun when need you watch me. The next time when I watch me now.
Yes.
Yeah. There was a time I saw a mini penny YOLO Kwashiga. I saw his series YOLO on Telegram, and I realized he was able to fight it. And I even went to the inbox of the channel owner, asked him, how did you get this? They downloaded it from YouTube. It's, we are dealing with a big problem, but let's not make it about Nigeria because they don't care about us. They are only using us to market their movies. Let's make it about us. It's a problem. How do we fix it? And this is how we fix it. Yes, I said with the broadcasting bill, ye chase bill, ya MP before that, they wasted 8 years without doing anything. A problem with MP before count. Yeah,
problem way.
This problem, and then when you are secretary, no,
so I want you to mention
I'll get there.
What MP before I said the whole party.
Yeah, passé Film Act 2016. That was when President Mama first time. Pressure ye de ma ba man passé ye MP before by 8 years and me have anyere. Senka de omo serious with the creatives and film industry now. That section of classification alone could have curbed this problem for us because one, so maybe show any content audiovisual, I have to take it to classification, and that is under Kafui now.
Okay.
I have to take it to classification, but say and yet Miami content, I need to provide a licensing agreement. It will be show Hollywood movie on classify. The law gives us the mandate. See me close to TV station down. And even seize your equipment.
Is it working still? And now,
I'm see ya number your man fanya.
It's a mumba pass.
Ya pass you. I'm running the how mum fanya jumano. O man fanya. A honor now who say a former CEO Juliet any secret and talk and a honor ne free. I say and Juliet a ton a shito. To am go to be man mami. Oh, so thank you. The honor year Juma Empress and can and your problem here Timuni.
Okay.
What the advantages reason why this had any shame was that say you use that foreign content in everywhere a quite bedow so Ghanaian content will have space. Now who be a TV station who nya a Sinibia cheap every year test run it will have a Jimmy content in Akwe.
Now okay.
That was part of the reasons. You know if you are then the broadcasting bill no omukoye memorandum of the to total so 10 pages say a quack pass it. From 2014 I am rano. MPP and passing. That law also was giving space that any station, be it a radio or TV, there's a percentage of Ghanaian content are be and the percentage of foreign content are being. That's what the Nigerians are doing. It's Omun Shatta allow too many foreign content, non-Nigerian contents on their airwaves. Now, finally, these same Nigerian ladies here are more disrespecting your institutions. Mumusa said, why couldn't they report these issues to Omo Copyright Society? Why couldn't they report to their Audiovisual Rights Society of Nigeria, AVRS? They don't respect their channels. They don't respect their bodies and societies. The other now, fighting mom. Go and report. Let your AVRS come and deal with the Audiovisual Rights Society of Ghana, which I'm a board member.
Oh, okay.
Let them come and deal with us. Then we can sit down and find out how to solve this. But what about social media? So no more they are talking musini, which I'm saying. Let's be careful. Let's not be fooled by these people. Enough is enough. Let's not be used for publicity for these people. The next person or didn't see go to YouTube or pay clouds no or be somebody attack Ghanaians.
Say akwantum abrochire na opese o send sika ko momo number so e wo Ghana anase opese o send sika eko bank account bi so e wo Ghana me therefore ma men kan for lemfi ema de ntia me kan for lemfi ema nyina ne say ope money transfer omo exchange rate e wo soro kese pa e lemfi na ni gisem crack kese ne say wo Europe now we your first transfer with 50 euros amount 20 euros cashback. And now UK, now your first £50 transfer, amount £10 cashback. Or Canada, any Americans, now your $100 first transfer, amount $20 cashback. Nemum, answer na benya cashback no. Mema rain say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Biemunso se wa America, na opese o shipping nyoma e free. Washington DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Odiane Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door-to-door shipping company. Medofo fre Box Oak says ya o fro ma when him round so no mu jina wabobo ano omo be box on your kama na omo de akọ Ghana asumdwe mama omo so eni gisem ba akọ account ne say o fro ma ka krom say enam TheBonahShow so na o te omo nka omo so mprempren na omo be chew 10% discount. Nia e chat woni se okọ Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana abeko Kumasi na udru Kumasi obepe baabi adam asomadwo obepe baabi a ewo 100% security ewo 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese ope baabi adam asomadwo wa obe sorry with my ye waduane live to say sabi uti ufie papa bi ma fre Pcash Properties and I say call www.pcashproperties.com.